Hello, it's Andrew from Burncoose, and now we're in front of some Callistemons. One of the rare wet days we've had this summer in Cornwall, and I'm holding a Callistemon, and this one's a Mauve mist. So it's a bottle brush plant, much like your Leptospermum. It likes a very sunny spot with free draining soil. Its wiry stems and slightly thick leaves make it tolerant of in some ways a very dry environment. I'm not saying drought, but certainly a dry area of your garden, as long as it's in full sun. The bottle brush will give you these red flowers and also some pink and mauve type flowers throughout the summer in full sun. Callistemon would also do very well in a pot. One of my personal favourites, and who won't like this new variety that we've got here? Look at this. Look at the dainty flowers on that one there. A Callistemon Rose Opal. Bottle brush like flowers, light pink. Very nice. And a pale green foliage. I like this one, and I like its habit. Callistemons, sunny spot, free draining soil, a very good doer.